Welcome back to another video, guys, and today we are going to do a really quick test using 8K. So I'm filming on my phone in 8K, I don't know how good it's going to look, and then we're going to do 8K 60 frames per second on the GoPro Hero Mission 1 across the field. Again, the light is good, so it's going to be questionable how good it'll be or how much difference it'll be versus using a standard 04 Pro, but we're going to find out, so let's run the flight.
Yep. Trying to make sure if it's recording.
If it's on, it'll be recording.
Well, last time I had to stop recording when it was on though. One day.
So we are flying the GoPro Mission 1 Pro.
Yeah.
Day 2, thank you, Boy Wonder. But we are flying it today in 8K 60 frames per second. And we're going to see exactly how good it looks. We're not going to do anything crazy with it, because ultimately it's going to be more designed really for a bit of cinematic cruising, but we are going to come back to the tree in a second after doing a couple of laps and we'll stick it on the tree, hopefully not literally.
Yeah, hopefully not literally.
But in the meantime we're just going to go around and chill, get a little bit of cinematic footage over the tops of these trees.
You're getting into that cinematic?
Yeah.
You're getting into like me?
Yeah.
Violent flights.
But obviously now we've done a couple of laps, we can do a little bit more violence. Never disarm, never disarm. Back to the roots of FPV again.
How did you even hit the tree? Did you just get too close?
Yeah. Well, I was going backwards, but I just didn't quite nail it. So if I can just sort of sit here now, and we can do a bit of a comparison to see the detail in 8K.
Sounds a bit weird now.
I think I may have bent a prop, that's all.
Yeah. Is it vibrating?
And that was the 8K flight of the GoPro the GoPro Mission 1 Pro. Let me know what you think. 8K 60 frames per second. Do you think this is going to become the new standard in the same way that 4K 60 frames per second became the standard when everybody thought it was going to be too over the top? Let me know what your thoughts in the comments are down below. I've not seen the footage yet. I'm recording the outro before I've edited it, so I can't possibly comment on how good it looks. Please let me know what your thoughts are then in the comments down below, and whether or not it's worth running 8K 60 frames per second on an FPV drone. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most, so watch it and let me know if they're right.